Hello and welcome. I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we're going to be going over a hairstyle that I think is the perfect combination of innocence and maturity, which is what I'm hoping to achieve with the Little Red Riding Hood costume. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The hairstyle that I will be doing is a kind of French braid and will be perfect for creating volume near the front of my face, giving the hood something to rest on. This style is very pretty and achievable for those who have shorter hair, as I know it can be hard to find hairstyles that work for that length. It's also very beautiful on medium to long hair, which is the length that I have. The only difference will be the length of the braid at the end.
Here are the supplies you'll need for this hairstyle. First, some kind of pointed tool to make a part with. I am using a hairpin from a bun holder, but you can use a comb, a chopstick, or even your fingers. It doesn't matter, just so long as you have straight lines. Next, you'll need a hair tie, preferably one that matches your hair color. I do not have one that matches my hair color, so I will be using a black one. Next, you'll need a hair ribbon. I'm using the one that I made for this costume. If you'd like to see how I did that, check out my video on the accessories from last week. The ribbon is near the end. Next, you'll need heat protectant if you are going to curl your hair. I got mine from Walmart for around $7. Then you will need a curling iron. Finally, you will need hairspray to make sure everything stays in place. I got mine from Walmart for about $7. The first thing I recommend when styling your hair in something you want to hold its shape is to start with clean and slightly damp hair. So I've washed my hair and it's still slightly wet here. Now I'll begin the braid. The first step is to part the hair where you want the braid and how thick the section of hair will be. I'm going from the top of one of my ears all the way to the other side, and then I'm doing a fairly large section so that way I have a nice thick braid for the hood to rest on. Now, starting on one side, I will be going from my right to my left. I will divide that section into 3 small strands, not picking up all of the hair, just a little bit. Then I'll cross the back strand over the middle. Then I'll cross the front strand over the top of the new middle strand. Now comes the tricky part, as it is difficult to hold all of this in one hand. My tip for how to add hair to the strands is to hold the strand you are not adding to in the pinky, hold the middle in between the ring finger and middle finger, kind of pinching it, and then the last strand in the pointer and thumb. Then, using the free hand, pick up a little piece of hair and add it to the strand. Then cross that strand over the middle strand. Then you will repeat this process on the other side. Put the strand you are not adding to in the pinky finger, the middle in between the ring and middle fingers, and hold the strand you are adding to with the pointer and thumb. Then add the small section of hair with the free hand. Then cross over the middle. If you do not get this right away, it's okay. It takes practice. Just try again. Once I have gathered all of the hair from this section up, I have a couple of options to finish it. First, I can gather all of the hair into a ponytail and secure it, and that's it. This is what that one looks like. Second, I can braid a little of the way down, put the ponytail in, and fluff the braid. Here's what that looks like. Lastly, I can finish the braid all the way down, put the ponytail in, and fluff the braid. Here's what that looked like. Next, I will add the hair ribbon. I'll be tying it in a knot instead of a bow, as with this ribbon it works better and then you can see all of the details. I also decided to take out the ponytail and just have the ribbon holding the hair all together. If you would like to see how I made the ribbon, check out my video on the accessories I made for this costume. The ribbon part is at the very end. This next step is optional, as you can leave the rest of the hair alone and not do anything with it, which for those with curly hair might be the best option. Or you can curl it with the curling iron. I'll be showing how to curl it. First, I'll put a heat protectant on my hair so that I do not damage my hair. Then, working in fairly small chunks, I will wrap the hair around the curling iron, hold for about a minute, and then release the hair. I will repeat this until all of the hair is curled. Finally, I will be putting a nice layer of hairspray all over this so that everything stays in place. Congratulations, you now have a beautiful braid to complement the Little Red Riding Hood costume. Here's what the style looks like with just my natural curls and the hood. And here is the curled hair and the hood. If you would like to know how I made the cloak or any of the parts of this costume, check out my playlist on the channel. If you would like to see how I will be doing the makeup for this costume, come back next week.
Now that you have the hairstyle, you are ready for the makeup. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!